let's make a cotton ball snow decor. You'll need a bag of cotton balls, a roll of white thin string, and a hot glue gun. With some extra glue sticks, take your string and cut 9 pieces, each 4 feet long. Take your first string and lay it out. Grab a cotton ball and put 1 dot of hot glue on it. Then take your string and lay it on top of the glue. It is best to fold some of the cotton ball over the string to help it stick better. Continue this and do about 8 to 9 cotton balls per string, but only do this for 8 of the strings. Here's my last cotton ball. Now all 8 strings are done. Take that 9th string, and like I have here, we are going to tie the 8 strings onto the 9th. Don't forget to cut the extra string after you tie it. Now all 8 strings are tied to the 9th. Just hang them up for your pretty snowy decor. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope your house will look more wintry looking with this lovely cotton ball snow decor. Make sure you hit that notification button so you guys can know when my videos are coming out. And I hope you guys caught that creative bug.